ChatGPT is breaking the internet. It has crossed over 1 million users worldwide and it has beaten all other AI. Now this video is going to show you some secrets on how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT has made things easier on the internet, and this video I'm making today is going to give you 20 ChatGPT prompts on how to use it on affiliate marketing and SEO, search engine optimization. Now this video is for you, the internet marketer, you that is trying to make money, you that is trying to create content on the internet, for you to harness whatever you're doing on the internet. ChatGPT is going to help you a long way if you know how to use it well, if you know how to input the prompt and get a good answer from this chatbot that is taking over the world right now. Now in this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share this video, and make sure you hit the bell notification, turn it on for more updates on my channel. So here we go now on these 20 prompts on how to use ChatGPT.
Number 1, create unique blog titles. And this is the chat prompt we are used to ask ChatGPT to help us create a list of 5 unique and attention grab being blog post title for an affiliate marketing blog. All you need to do is go to the chat bar and type this, enter. You can see create a list of 5 unique and attention grab blog post title for an affiliate marketing blog, and watch out, ChatGPT is going to give us 5 unique and attention blog title for an affiliate marketing blog. Number 2, you can use ChatGPT to write compelling product description. So this is the key. This is what we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us an answer. Write a compelling product description for a weight loss supplement called Quick Slim. We are going to tell ChatGPT to include benefits, key features, and call to action. As you can see, ChatGPT is going to give us, you can see, a product description for a weight loss supplement called Quick Slim. And ChatGPT is going to include benefits, key features, and a call to action. You can see. The benefits of Quick Slim include, as you can see, let's keep listing it in bullet points. See? Now, so why, if you're waiting, as you can see, and a call to action. That's the call to action. Number 3, you can use ChatGPT to write SEO optimized content. Number 3, you can use ChatGPT to write SEO optimized content, and this is what we are going to tell ChatGPT to give us. Type in what we want here. Write a 500 word blog post on the topic best affiliate marketing strategy for 2023. Include the keyword affiliate marketing, SEO, and strategies. Watch what ChatGPT will give us. Writing a blog post for us on best affiliate marketing strategy for 2023, and ChatGPT is going to include the keyword affiliate marketing, SEO, and strategy. This is it. Number 4, create engaging social media posts, and this is the chat prompt we are going to tell ChatGPT to help us write a list of 10 engaging social media posts for a new affiliate marketing course. And we are going to use hashtag affiliate marketing and affiliate sale. And when we hit enter, you see what ChatGPT has for us. This is it. That is it. That is it. Number 5, generate email campaign content. We are going to tell ChatGPT to write an email campaign to promote an affiliate marketing ebook, including a clear subject line, introduction, call to action, and benefit of the ebook. This is what we input, and this is what ChatGPT will offer us. As you can see, it is getting an email campaign to promote an affiliate marketing ebook using a clear subject line, introduction. You have seen it. So this is as simple as ABC. This is the call to action, and this is the benefit of the ebook. Number 6, build backlinks. And this is the chat prompt we are going to tell ChatGPT to create a list of 5 potential websites to reach out for backlinks for an affiliate blog. These are the 5 potential websites ChatGPT is going to reach for us. We want to reach for backlinks. 5 of them: Forbes, Entrepreneur, and Number 7, optimize voice search. You can use ChatGPT to create a list of 5 voice search for optimization, and this is our chat prompt we're going to use to get this. Create a list of 5 voice search optimization for an affiliate marketing website, and this is how ChatGPT is going to help us with it. Number 8, create YouTube video titles and description. And this is the chat prompt we're going to give ChatGPT to help us create a YouTube video title. Write a list of 5 attention-grabbing YouTube video titles and description for a series on affiliate marketing for beginners. And here we go. ChatGPT is now giving us 5 attention-grabbing YouTube video titles and description. You can see it. This is how it is as clear as possible. Number 9, generate Pinterest pins. You can use ChatGPT to generate Pinterest pin by putting this prompt: create a list of 5 visually appealing and SEO optimized Pinterest pin for a blog on affiliate marketing. Here we go. You can see ChatGPT is giving us the 5 visually appealing SEO optimized pages for posts. Number 10, develop landing page copy. With ChatGPT, you can also develop landing page copy by inputting this chat prompt: write compelling copy for a landing page promoting an affiliate marketing course. Include a clear headline, benefit, and call to action. And here we go. simple as possible. Call to action, enroll now, and start. That's it. Number 11, we are going to tell ChatGPT to generate meta descriptions for us. So this is the chat prompt we are going to give ChatGPT. Create a list of 10 meta descriptions for an affiliate marketing website page, incorporating relevant keyword and a call to action. Here we go. You can see ChatGPT is giving us 10 meta description for an affiliate marketing website page, and it's also giving us a relevant keyword related to it and indeed a call to action. Number 12, develop infographics. Of course, our ChatGPT can develop infographics, and these are the chat prompts we're going to give ChatGPT to help us get some infographic. Create an infographic that breaks down the step for starting an affiliate marketing business. This is what ChatGPT have given us. That is it. With this idea, we'll be able to get ChatGPT create infographics for ourselves. Number 13, generate quotes for testimonials. And these are the chat prompts we are going to give ChatGPT. Create a list of 10 quotes from satisfied customer for an affiliate marketing course. Here we go. These are the list of 10 quotes. You see, this affiliate marketing course was a game changer for my business. I've seen it. It's increasing revenue since taking it. These are 10 quotes from satisfied customers for an affiliate marketing course which ChatGPT had given us. On and on and wait for it till it gets to it is as easy as possible for ChatGPT to generate those quotes. Number 14, create Instagram caption. Of course, our ChatGPT can give us Instagram caption, and these are the chat prompts we are going to give ChatGPT to give us a list of 5 catchy Instagram captions for promoting an affiliate marketing ebook. These are the 5 catchy Instagram captions. With these 5 captions ChatGPT has given us, we'll be able to use the captions to promote an affiliate marketing ebook. Number 15, develop Twitter threads. Of course, our ChatGPT can develop Twitter threads, and these are the chat prompts we're going to use. Place it in. Create a Twitter thread promoting an affiliate marketing webinar. Include keywords like a call to action and relevant hashtag. See, this is just a simple Twitter thread promoting an affiliate marketing webinar. Very good. These are the hashtag affiliate marketing, hashtag webinar, hashtag as simple as that. Wonderful. Number 16, create Facebook group, and this is the chat prompt we are going to give ChatGPT to use. Develop a strategy for creating and moderating a Facebook group for an affiliate marketing course. Here we go. ChatGPT is developing a strategy for creating and moderating a Facebook group for an affiliate marketing course. This is the strategy ChatGPT is developing for us to use for our Facebook group. As easy as that. Simple. Number 17, generate Google AdWords. ChatGPT can also generate AdWords, and these are the chat prompt we are going to use. Create a list of 5 effective Google AdWords for an affiliate marketing course. Here we go. These are the list of 5 effective Google AdWords for an affiliate marketing course. Simple as that. Number 18. Develop LinkedIn posts. And these are the chat prompts we are going to use to develop a LinkedIn post. ChatGPT can do that for us. These are the prompts we are going to use. Write a list of 5 engaging and informative LinkedIn posts to promote an affiliate marketing course. Include call to action and relevant hashtag. You can see it is including the hashtag in every engaging informative post it is generating for us. You can see. As simple as that. Perfect. Number 19, optimize for local SEO. We can use ChatGPT to optimize local SEO by giving ChatGPT this chat prompt to create a list of local SEO optimization tips for an affiliate marketing website targeting a specific city. And here we go. You can see it is giving us a list of local SEO optimization tips for an affiliate marketing website targeting a city. These are the tips. Simple and clear for you to use. And number 20, you can generate Google ads with ChatGPT. And this is the chat prompt to use to generate Google ads. As simple as that. Tell ChatGPT to create a list of 5 effective Google ads for an affiliate marketing course. Include ad headline, description, and relevant keywords. And here we go. That's the ad headline, Master Affiliate Marketing with our comprehensive course. That's the description below. And that's another headline. And that's description. That's another headline and another description. With ChatGPT, we can get whatever we need. Whatever we ask ChatGPT, ChatGPT is going to effectively give us correct answer to use for our affiliate marketing and SEO.